first bath. She just had her first big poop. No better time. You ready, Millie?
And then she's going to take a good on nap.
I don't think she's gonna like this.
Oh, please, don't say that. Okay, we're ready. Go ahead and just lay her down on there. Oh, boy.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Millie.
Oh, that feels warm.
Boy.
All right, Millie.
Hi, baby
Good girl. Good girl.
Ooh, boy. Oh, boy. I don't want her to get cold.
All right, Millie.
Oh, boy. Okay, sweetie. Okay. Let's scrub your hair. Oh, boy. Oh, good girl. Good girl, Millie. Oh, you're going to love it when you get used to it. Yes, you are. You're going to love it when you get used to it. Oh, no, that's cold, isn't it? It's cold. Oh,
She's doing so good.
oh no, let's see her little face. Can you see her? Oh, boy.
Oh, that's relaxing.
Sweetheart. Okay.
Mommy loves dads too. Mommy
You're
loves
be
dads
just
and
like
lotion.
Mommy. Oh, boy.
Look
She's
at that
saying,
curly
hey,
hair.
this is not so bad, Kenny. This is not so bad. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Feels
nice.
so good. All right, let me get right over here. Get under your little neck.
All right, Millie.
That's good. I think we're good to go. Say, wrap me up, Mommy.
All right, first
Wrap me
bath.
up. Oh, boy. Oh, no. Yeah, you're warm. You like that. She did, didn't she? Oh, you like that. Look at Daddy on the camera. Look, say, Daddy, that was so nice. I'm
All
so
right,
warm.
Millie.
Let's preserve this. Let's get our lotion and
All
lay
right.
down. Yay. Oh, that was nice. Say thank you, Kenny. I love that. She did love it. I'm so happy. Oh.